Dude, this is so crazy. Dude, I actually can't believe I finally got it back. And look at this, look how sick this radio is. I'm bored of the long hair, so I was like, you know what? Let me just kind of cut it up, see how better it would look. But right now, we're about to head to another mechanic shop. Because the other mechanic shop that we originally went to, they charged us $1,600. And that was just for the gasket. So, for the other mechanic shop, they were like, oh, we'll do it for $870, you know. It will be good, and we'll do the radiators too for $870 with labor. You know, that's actually crazy. But right now we're gonna go check it out, and hopefully it's ready. He said it'll be ready tomorrow in the afternoon, but I doubt it's ready. But we're gonna go double check everything, and hopefully it's ready. Bro, I can't wait till I drive it back. I miss it. Not gonna lie, I do miss it a lot. So the van is currently in there getting worked on. And they told me that it's gonna take 3 to 4 hours because they just got the part in. And dude, I literally can't wait till I actually drive it. I'm actually so excited for a van. You know what I mean? It's crazy. It drives smooth. It got nice radio. It got nice sounds. Bro, I love it. Not gonna lie, it's a nice car, a daily car. Nice daily car to have. But right now, what we're gonna do is probably go home. I gotta take some thumbnail pictures of my car. And then hopefully the van will be ready by 4. And then I'm gonna show you guys what changed and what have they done on it. So let's get straight to it, and I'll catch you guys at 4. 2 videos got corrupted, that's why you guys are seeing this. But you know, it turned out it's gonna be the next day because it turned out there was another problem that was happening. Actually, I'm not gonna spoil it for you guys. I just want to give you guys a heads up that there was footage that was missing. I was kind of bummed out about it, but you know, oh well, I can't go back in time. But yeah, you guys have fun, watch the rest of the video, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If you guys are OGs, you guys would probably remember this car right here. And let me tell you guys, I bought back my 328i, and we got the M4, and we got the third car, which is the van. I'm thinking about putting a whole new engine in this car, and it's gonna be insane. I'm planning on putting like a 2J. I don't know what engine I'm gonna do, but this car, this car clearly needs a lot of work. Like, you got the grill, you got the thing is messed up on the side. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty expensive. But you guys, oh, I thought the sunroof was open for a second. But you guys better stay tuned to the upcoming videos. It's gonna be insane. It's gonna be sick. So you guys better stay tuned, and it's gonna go crazy from there on out. So anyways, I'll catch you guys. I think tomorrow is day 6, and we're gonna be picking up the van. But you know, I just want to pull out the camera. I was bored. I was like, you know, might as well just record. But yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow when we're on the way to pick up the new van, and let's get it. So today is the day that we finally pick up the van. Like, I'm so excited. It's been in the mechanic shop for a lot of days. It's been like 7 days. Different mechanic shops, because we're getting different prices. There was a guy that actually said it was $1,800 to fix just the gasket. But one of my friends he referred me to, it turned out to be $900 with the gasket, with a new radiator, and a thermostat. It's crazy. I know, dude. Shout out to them. I'm probably gonna head there and probably shout them out over there. And also, my brother's gonna be picking me up in a bit, in like an hour actually, because the mechanic shop just called me and they said the car will be ready in an hour. So I was like, you know what? I'll just wait a bit. You know, I cooked up some pre-workout stuff in there. I can't wait till I take that too. Pause. That kind of sounded way off. That kind of sounded way off. Pause on that. But we're gonna head there in exactly an hour, and hopefully the car will be ready for me, and I get to show you guys how smooth the car is. So I'll catch you guys once we're on the way to the mechanic shop, and peace out, y'all. I'll see y'all there. And here my brother comes. He's about to pick me up, and we're about to head to the spot right now. And yeah, wish me luck, guys. I can't wait till I pick it up. It's gonna be insane. So yeah, let me catch you guys once we're on the way, and peace out. So right now, we're on the way to pick up my car, finally. It's been 7 days at the shop. I'm gonna introduce you guys to somebody. We got this guy right here. What's your name?
YMRO on IG.
All right, no, we're not doing all that. But anyways, we're on the way now. I hope the van is done, but we're gonna go pick it up, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks and how it feels. So let me catch you guys once we're there. Just got to the mechanic shop. I see the car right in front of me, but I don't think we can drive it now. I think I gotta go pay inside, but it's that right there. Right there. Everything is done. Hopefully, no issues. I think that might be it. But right now, we're gonna go inside and pay, and hopefully it'll be great. So let's go. So we finally got the van back. I can't wait to drive. I can't wait till I turn it on. Oh my dude, it's been days since I drove this car. Now it's fully fixed. I don't have to worry about it overheating, over nothing. Everything is fixed, and I'm so glad. And yeah, I'll catch you guys once I'm driving this. I gotta do some other stuff real quick. Gotta sign a couple papers. But the subtotal turned out to be, let me show you guys. So the subtotal turned out to be $887.67. My money is drained, dude. Yeah, I think I gotta work a little harder these couple days. But yeah, let me catch you guys once we're on the way, and it's gonna go crazy from there on now. So let me catch you guys. I'm ready to start it up. I haven't been, hold on, let me crank it. Oh, okay, I gotta turn this real quick. Dude, this is so crazy. Dude, I actually can't believe I finally got it back. And look at this, look how sick this radio is. At night, it's even crazier. And don't get me started on the sound system. It's beautiful. But, and the gearing too. It doesn't mean like, for this type of car, and it got 217,000 miles, about to hit 218 soon. It's actually in pretty good condition. One owner, everything like that. But let me catch you guys once we're on the way back, and I'm gonna end the video on there. I'm not even joking with you guys. So far, it drives insane. Like it drives like really smooth. It drives like butter. It's like, you know how you put like butter on the pan and it slides? This is how exactly this feels. It's actually insane. Look at all this. It's actually like so smooth. Not even a single check engine light. Everything is not even a single check engine light. Every single thing is gone. And let me catch you guys on the way, because I think that's a cop in front of me. So let me catch you guys. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, you know. Of course, other stuff is gonna be coming on the way. We got the M4 in the background, you know, it's a cool background. We got other stuff coming on the way for the M4 and for the other car. And I don't know about the van, but you know, I might do some stuff to make it look good. Well, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And it's your boy Dextro, and I'm out. I'll catch you guys in the next video.